Hey guys, it's Rachel Dreyer here again. Welcome back. And guess what time it is? That's right, baby. It's March Madness. And as you can see, I am supporting my Lady Hoosiers today. So I hope they get a W in the win column. So go Hoosiers. So other than that, however, it is also another fabulous Friday, luxury listing day. And today I am at 958 Baumann Drive South in the beautiful Floyds Knobs, Indiana, in Baumann Bluff neighborhood. Today I'm going to be walking you through this home that is a 4-bed, 3.5 bath ranch style home with a finished walkout, 3-car garage, and an added utility garage on 1 acre overlooking a lake. What is there not to like about every bit of what I just said? So let's walk through. Let me know what you think about it. This home has a lot of modern, sleek appeal to it. Open floor plan. As soon as you walk in the door, you'll see the formal dining room. Very interesting tray ceiling design, which makes it so unique. Spacious dining area, however. Lots of arches and design that this home offers. So unique. And right here, I don't know if you can see this, there's even some lighting up here in this other little design as soon as you walk in the door with the letter T. Again, you see the open floor plan, more unique design for the ceiling here. Very cool. Do have the gas fireplace. Custom cabinetry, and this home is a custom built home as well. Granite countertops, a raised breakfast bar, lots of counter space, full complement of appliances, of course. And not only did you have the formal dining room, but you also had the eat-in kitchen space here. Okay. And this is a split floor plan, so we're going to start at the other bedrooms here down the hallway. There are 3 full bedrooms on the main level. And we'll get to it, but you can see all of the bedrooms actually have a really nice view of the lake. So no matter which bedroom, you've got the beautiful view. Here's a little Jack and Jill bath for both of the bedrooms here down the hall. Dual sinks. I really wish the Cards had a better day yesterday. I was rooting for them. They just couldn't hold off Creighton, that's for sure. Their 3-point shooting yesterday was on fire. But I was sure hoping the Cards were going to do well yesterday. Okay. Then we have got a large, spacious laundry room here off of the 3-car garage. Yeah, let me know who you guys have for your winner of the NCAA. I'm curious to see whose everybody's picks are and if your bracket is already busted or not. Custom sink here, very unique with the wood intricate design. And then we're over here to the master bedroom. Also another unique tray ceiling. Another view of the lake. And I'd also love to hear who you all have for your winner for the NCAA for the women's brackets. Curious to see what everybody has for their brackets. Here we are at the master bath. Separate water closet. Nicely done shower. All marble. And the kind of heart-shaped jetted tub. Little arch over the tub there. And it does have a sauna. Nice touch. Love the backlit mirrors here. Looks nice. Hey guys. And the huge walk-in closet. If you've been on enough of these videos with me, you know how much I love large closets, bars, and kitchens. Those are pretty much my favorite parts of the homes that I get to show and to see regularly. Now let's head down to the finished walkout. You'll see the 4th bedroom down here and another full bath. And this is very, very spacious down here. We'll start with this little room here to the right. I've got a little playroom here. Could be playroom, workout room, another tray ceiling here. And look at this big open room. We got a wet bar over here with a really nice backsplash. Granite countertops. Love the gray and the black designed together and the silver, very cool. Again, very modern lighting. But all of this space is wonderful. We do have a little media room area here with a stone accent wall and a gas fireplace. Hey Jennifer, thanks for watching today. I would love to hear who your pick is for the NCAA for the winner this year. I'm seeing a lot of people choose Duke or Florida. Got a little workout room here. Again, overlooking the lake. And we go right down this little hall here. And here is the 4th bedroom. Yep, Jennifer picked Florida. I think that's who I actually have for my winner as well. Here we have the full bath on the lower level. Very modern again, spacious. Okay. And I'm going to show you this walkout area. And I need to also show you the upstairs covered deck as well. Here we got a nice exposed aggregate patio, a little fire pit, and the lake. Okay. Was anybody surprised about the Drake win yesterday? I was pretty excited for them to have 4 D2 starters on a Division I team and to play as well that they did. I was super excited about their win, actually. I thought they played a very, very good game. All right. Now I want to show you up here the covered deck and the view from there. And this home is offered at $809,000. I'm not sure if I had mentioned that. Nice covered deck. And I love how they used the glass here so you don't have any obstructed views of the water when you're sitting on the deck here. let me know if anyone would like to set up a private tour to see this beautiful home. You can't go wrong with a ranch with a finished walkout. Okay, and we are back out here in the front. Let me show you this beautiful home from the front view. There we go. Nicely landscaped. Lots of brick and stone combination. And again, this is 958 Baumann Drive South in the beautiful Floyds Knobs, Indiana, Baumann Bluff neighborhood. Again, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath on 1 acre lot. Over 4,200 total living space. 3-car garage and the utility garage. All right, guys, thank you again for joining me on this fabulous Friday, luxury listing day, and of course, March Madness. And again, go Lady Hoosiers, and I hope to see you again and you join me on the next fabulous Friday luxury listing. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.